Hi everyone, my name is Tristan Stromberg and I am going to be your geography teacher for the fall semester. So first of all, I want to say thank you for signing up for geography. I assume you all signed up for it. It's the first time I've ever taught it. Definitely first time I've ever taught it digitally. So if it's a little wacky, just get ready for that. It's going to be wacky, okay? But I'm hoping that we can get through it and learn. We'll get through the kinks and have a good time. I have a lot of high hopes that it's going to be a really fun class, okay? You may ask, why are you watching a video rather than doing a class with me? So the reason for that is that I have jury duty today. I got jury duty for the first day of school. So I'm summoned, which means that I will be in a courtroom all day. So I'm filming this the night before. Right now it's Sunday night, and I'm going to give you a little rundown, and that'll be your work for the day. Okay. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you 2 assignments that you have to do in order to get points and credit for the day, which you definitely want to do because you want to start off with a good grade. You want to get 100% on your first day of school, right? So, anyways, nice to look forward to meeting you all. Let's learn. So right now, apologize for my dog if you can hear it. Right now you are looking at the Google Classroom. Okay, so this is, of course, you've used it 1,000 times probably. This is going to be just where things are posted for the day. This is not going to be the most important page for us. The most important page for us is actually going to be the class website, which we'll talk about in a bit. Okay, the first thing I want us to do is I want us to go over the syllabus a little bit. So let me record this tab, and here you go. Okay, so again, the class of geography, it is 3rd period. We meet at 12:15. So what used to be around lunchtime now is 3rd period. Okay, this is the Google Classroom code. And this is the description for the course, okay? Please note that geography is supposed to be a academic elective. So even though it's an elective, it is academic based and you will be expected to work, okay? It's actually generally run as an honors level course. So it's to prepare you for, if you want to go into the AP classes your sophomore, junior, and senior year, okay? This is the course website, which we'll go to for a bit. This is the meeting ID, so this will be what you enter, okay? And please note that the password is Ducks, okay? I'm a big hockey fan. I have the Sharks shirt right now, and I'm a big Anaheim Ducks fan. So Ducks will be the password, all right? This is the general course objectives that I wrote. This is what the class is about, okay? Again, we'll talk about this more together on Tuesday. Let's talk about the grading for a little bit, all right? Physically showing up gets you 10%. Physically signing in when you're asked to, which is at 12:15 every day, will get you 10%, okay? And on Friday, it'll be uploaded 5 out of 5. Hopefully you guys show up every day. Hopefully you get 5 out of 5 every day, okay? Participation is going to be worth, hang on, let me do the math here, 30, 60, 90, excuse me, 30%. Participation is worth 30% of your grade, okay? What that means is doing things when I ask you to do them, okay? So for example, I'm asking you to watch this video. If you watch the video, that goes into your participation. You're not being graded. I'm not gonna take points off if you answer something wrong. If I ask a question to the class and you volunteer and you're wrong, you're not gonna get docked participation points. It's merely just a grade to give you points so that you try, okay? So again, you're not graded down, you just do it to the best of your ability, okay? And these will be really quick things, maybe you'll take notes. You'll take notes for 30 minutes and I might say, show your notes to me, okay? I'll call on a student and say, show me your notes, you show them to me, you get the points for the day, okay? Schoolwork is all other assignments that are graded, okay? Please make sure you get your textbook on Wednesday, okay? We are gonna be using a textbook. You guys gotta get off your computer sometimes. So I will give you an assignment, maybe have 20 questions, and using your textbook, you'll answer the questions, you'll turn it into me, and I'll grade it, okay? So that'll be 30% of your grade there. You might have to watch videos and answer questions on them. You might have to do some writing, some summaries, some reading, and essentially this 30% will get graded, but as long as you follow directions, you should get a good grade on it. Okay, and lastly is going to be projects. We're not going to be doing really full-on test taking because you're all at home. So we're going to do more projects for geography. Again, it's my first time doing geography, so I can't give you an idea too much about what the project's going to look like. I haven't really fully created them yet, but we'll see as we go along. Every unit, once it ends, you know there's a project coming. Individual, maybe with a partner. We'll see if you guys, how well you guys know each other, if it's weird to work digitally with someone or not, but we'll see how it goes. So this will be the one that's kind of like the test category. Okay, so they'll be graded, they'll have a rubric, you gotta do the best you can, and some of you will do really well on them, some of you might struggle, but hopefully this first 3 parts right here, attendance, participation, schoolwork, that'll be where you get a good grade. Okay, please read through this. Okay, you know the drill. This is not the first time today you've gone over a syllabus. So let's go to the class website. Okay, I know the website wasn't working. I got an email and I know it wasn't working. So bear with me, but once it starts working, this is the website. This is what I'm gonna be using. So if you tell me that you're confused, this is where I'm gonna refer you to, or what we're gonna talk about. Google Classroom is nice, but I find this to be a lot more easily understandable. Okay, if you need the syllabus, it's right here. Class websites we use right here. But let's go through each tab here. This is the calendar, okay? You notice I already have the Zoom meetings in here for 12:15. So again, you can click on it. Here's the password, ducks. Here's the meeting ID, and then here's the link for it, okay, if you just want to click that link. If you don't know what we're doing that day, always check up here at the top of the calendar page, and that will tell you the instructions for the day. So on Tuesday, you'll see it'll say August 18th, and it'll have the instructions for what we're doing that day. Okay, so as soon as 8 o'clock. So if you, even before class starts, if you want to know what you're doing that day, check right here. If you miss a day or you just didn't work that day and you want to get credit for it, you can check into these past days. I'll have them all listed out. Boom, 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 boom. I know that it's blocked right now by the school computers, the Chromebooks, but your phone should be able to access it. So until I get it unblocked, your phone would be the way to do it. This next page will be for PowerPoints. So every unit, there will be notes to take. And if you need to get caught up or if you missed some of the notes, you can check here and I'll have a link for them for you. Okay. This here is all the different units we're going to study in order. So the first 2 weeks of school will be physical geography, and then we'll have a project. Then the United States and Canada project, Latin America, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And hopefully we can get to the end of the textbook, which is part 10. So a lot of work to do in just 4 months. So that's why it's important that we're ready to go every single day because it's a lot to cover. All right. This next page here, this is a little personal info about me. My favorite TV show is called The Amazing Race. It's a wonderful show on CBS that you guys should all watch. They're doing another season in the fall. My dream, I hope it works, is that we are going to do a little competition every other week. And just like in The Amazing Race, you're going to get points for it. And at the end of the year, we'll have a winner. So it'll be kind of Amazing Race themed. I'm going to get a hold of one of the seasons that I really liked. And I think we'll actually, because we have so much time in class, 90 minutes a day, I think we'll actually be able to watch it together. So as long as you guys are okay with it, maybe every Friday we can spend half the class watching this show. And after the show ends, we'll then have a geography assignment based on what we did, what we learned. Okay? So again, I have really wild dreams of how fun it's going to be, but I hope you guys get into it. Do check out the show on Hulu if you want to, but hopefully it's a good time. Okay, let's talk a little bit about some other quick things, and then we should be done. Okay, I'm going to try and make this year as easy as possible for you guys, so I'm not going to overwhelm you with websites. This first website is called Edpuzzle. Okay, that's how you're watching this video. So this will record you with videos and, this will record videos and then you watch the videos and it'll track what you've learned, okay? This next website, let me bring you to it, is called Newsela, which you've probably used as well. I'll assign different geography things, different current events going on around the world, and you will watch them. And yeah. You'll read them, you'll watch it, and you'll have assignments to do for it. Okay. The other one I use is Khan Academy, but there isn't a geography section, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's go back to the Google Classroom. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so let me give you your assignment for the day. Okay, your assignment for the day is to fill out the Google form that's going to be posted. Okay, so the video is going to be posted, and then once class starts, you'll see the Google form. Fill it out. Tell me about yourself. Be open, and that'll be your attendance for the day. Okay. After that, I'm going to have a question posted. So it'll be in Google Classroom, and it'll say answer the following question. Okay, so I want you to answer that question as well. If you do the Google form, if you watch this video, do the Google form and answer the question, you'll get full credit for the day. All right, I'm sorry that the first day has to be awkward like this. I don't have any other work for you, so just watch the video and do the assignments like I said, and then wait for your fourth period class. But on Tuesday, I will be here at 12:15, and I look forward to seeing you all then. So, goodbye.